The next thing that goes on is his arms, his front legs. I guess they're his arms. Okay, and that needs to be, let's see, front legs are about a 2 1/4 inch ball, which is about 3.5 ounces of fondant. So we can get it to 3.5. Yep, that's it. It's close enough. So it's about a 2.5 inch ball, and again, you'll need 2 of these. So you want to roll it into a ball as best you can. Okay, and then you want to roll it into a sausage. And you need to get it about how long? Let's see, well, it's got to go from here to up to here, which is about, what did I say, 1.5 inches wide by 5 inches long. That's what I have. And I did flatten it a little bit. That's not 5 inches long, so I'll just stretch it out. So it's going to go like so. Okay? It's going to be up like that. And go a little bit more. All right, so this you definitely need to let sit and dry, because again, if you try to put it up on here, it's going to sag. It'll get elephant skin on it. It looks pretty bad. All right, so this you need to let sit dry. This is also going to get stitching right down the center, like so, of each arm. So make 2 of those and put them aside. Before we attach these on, I have to do his tummy. So it's good that we made them, we let them dry, and then we work on his tummy. So let's go ahead and get that part done. Okay, for his tummy, we're actually going to do a light yellow, a pale yellow for his tummy. So what I did is I actually took a little bit of this yellow and added more ivory to it to make it a lighter color. So we're going to do his tummy. His tummy also gets stitching. So see, I just added that yellow to some ivory. And it's sticky again, so a little more shortening. All right, so that makes a nice light color. Let's see, a little bit lighter. Now, if you want to texture this, you can actually texture this fondant. I actually have some cheesecloth here, and it makes a nice texture. You won't be able to see it now because he's dry, but once you get this on, you can actually texture it with cheesecloth to make it look like it's fabric. So if you so desire to do that, you can. Knock yourself out. All right, so I've got this lighter, and I'm going to make his tummy. So I need to roll about a 4 by 3 inch circle. So I think he's only about 6 inches tall. And I need to make his tummy. And I am just going to wing it on what this looks like. So you can see this is a light yellow. Roll it nice and thin. All right, and I just need to cut an oval to go on his face. Okay, so you see I haven't attached these yet, so let's see. We want it, yeah, just a little oval. Okay, so we take our knife tool. All right, so it's gonna be about just an oval. Which is good because I don't do circles real well, so that works. And then I can just put that up here and see if that fits. And if it's too big, I can cut it down. Yeah, that works. Okay, that's a good size. Oh, so, okay, so a little bit of water on the back side of this. And again, you want to put some stitching on it once we get it on. I have to turn this way to see it. I want to get it somewhat in the center. Okay, any spot that didn't get any water on it, go ahead and get it on there. Okay. Smooth those edges with your tool. A lot of it's going to be covered up, but so we have his tummy, and then again you want right down the middle. A little stitching, okay? Okay, I'm also going to do a stitching line for his, this is the top of his head. And then down the back of the center seam, down the back. Okay, so he is a sewn together little guy. Okay, so there we have that. Now I can actually attach these pieces as they're dry. So let's go ahead and grab our frosting.